Hey, JVix here with JVI Mobile Marketing. So we sell the high level platform, Go High Level. We sell it under our own private white label brand called Journey Builder. And recently, if you are a small business owner and you're using Journey Builder, I'm sorry, if you're using Go High Level or Journey Builder, if you're one of our clients, if you are using the platform, I strongly encourage you to turn on the Ask AI function. High Level released a new feature within the Ask AI system. It's called templates, and it is so amazing. Anything you want to be able to do inside your CRM, and I mean like literally almost anything, maybe even everything. But they've already put in a bunch of templates of how to get started chatting with AI inside of the CRM. So, how do we use AI to do things in our system? Right. So typically we might do things like go to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini and ask it to, write me this email, or how do I do this, or how do I do that? But that's all things that are outside of your CRM. You might take that stuff and put it into your CRM. But now, like, let's just say you wanted to, no, let's just try this. So let's say we want to scan our website to generate a brand voice and optionally create a full brand board, right? Or initiate a Stripe connection, create an invoice to send to a client, and then record the incoming payment. And what it'll do is it will give you step by step everything you need to do, and even ask you, hey, do you want me to just do this for you? Like, do you want me to create this custom field or custom value for you? Do you want me to connect the calendar here? Which calendar do you want me to connect? So it's going to actually do things, creating tags, adding notes, creating a blog site, verifying it, and publish your first post, right? So anything you want to do, instead of having to call your support team, AI will just give you the step-by-step instructions, and you could say, this is what I want to do, or you could do it yourself. If you need help doing any of those things, please feel free to reach out to us. We help small businesses all over the world with their custom implementations of this platform. We typically do it for our clients at Journey Builder, but if you are a Go High Level user and you have it maybe under a different setup, then again, we're happy to work with you. We'll just talk about what that looks like. But I just really encourage everybody to go use this Ask AI function. So real quick, we're just going to actually, we'll create a contact and tag them and add an intake note. So I'm going to go ahead over here, and you just click on that button, and it's going to actually go through and tell you exactly what it's going to do. And then you also now have the ability in here to allow Ask AI to take over your browser. So if you wanted it to go out and try to find more information about a contact, or find prices of something, to compare, or have it go to another website and do this action and bring back results, it can do it. So what's going to happen right now is it's given us the creating a contact, and then it would tag them and add a note and then enroll them in a workflow. And what it's going to do, so right here it's saying, what is the first name of this contact? And I'm going to say Bob. All right. And then 1 of 4, 2 of 4 last name, we're going to say Doe, because everybody needs a good Bob Doe. And we'll say Bob at bobdoe.com. And the phone number 336-222-5454. And we're going to submit that. Okay, so that's the first step. The next step is it's going to actually create the contact inside the CRM. And then it's going to ask us what's the tag that we want to give and what's the note. Okay, so create a contact, low risk. Do we want to create it? Yes, create it. Okay, so it's approved, create the new contact, and the system is doing it itself. I haven't had to go click on contacts and add new and start filling things out. Now, could you have done that maybe even faster? Sure, but think of all the different things that you're not sure how to do in the system. So what tags do I want to add? I want to add the test tag and the not client tag. And then the next thing, intake note, called in, inquiring about becoming a client. Okay, submit that. Very, very easy. All I had to do is find the appropriate template I wanted, and they're searchable, and they're also categorized. So if you want to go to a specific area like AI, right? You want to learn how to create an AI agent or have it help you create the AI agent, you can go to AI and help it do that. So we're going to add the tags. All right, it's going to ask if we want to add him to a workflow. I'm not actually going to add him to a workflow right now, so I'll probably stop it at that point. But then I'll head over to contacts and we'll be able to see that he's there. So let's enroll Bob in a workflow. And then I'm going to say no to that. Again, if you guys want to learn more about us or have us help you with your high-level implementation, solutions, support, hands-on assistance, we are available. And the best way to get a hold of us is emailing clients, clients, at jvimobile.com. So clients at jvimobile.com. Clients at jvimobile.com. All right. So it's trying to enroll Bob in a workflow. So what it's doing right now is it's actually going through the automations that I have in the system. And here it is. It's going to now have us pick a workflow to enroll Bob in. I'm going to tell it we're not going to. So because I've got a lot, I'm going to say none. And from there, no problem. Workflow enrollment skipped. All done. Here's everything that we did. And now if I go over to contacts on my left side panel over here, close the sidebar here. Why is it not going to contacts? Give it a second. Let's flip over here. Oh, you know what? I've got AI open in the full screen. Contacts. Bob Doe, 336225454. Bob Doe, tags, test, not a client. So it just did it for me without me having to go in and do it. Very, very cool. I would encourage you to go into the Ask AI. It should be on the left-hand side inside your system where my mouse is hovering. Should be right there for you. If you don't see it, it needs to be turned on inside your account. So ask, if you bought this through an agency or a reseller, ask them for the Ask AI. There is a small fee associated with it, but it's on a pay per use and it is like a micro fee. So if you need help with it, let us know. We offer Ask AI in with every account that we bring on. So if you need any help, please let us know, and or just comment below the video and let us know how we can best reach you. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and go play with the Ask AI and get all those templates.